In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut, a video editing tool to create engaging, funny, and interesting content for your photo booth rental business. I'm going to go ahead and screen record on my phone to show you how to use it and give you guys some ideas on how to utilize this tool. All right, so we're going to open up CapCut. And again, guys, this is free to download in the App Store. For those that don't know, CapCut, I believe, is owned by TikTok. There's a ton of ads here, which is kind of annoying. You have to close out these ads, continue to app. This is how I like to use CapCut, right? I like to go to the template section. You can see that down here. So you're going to see a lot of different options here. And let me just show you, like, let's just pick one random one here. Yeah! Woo! So the green, let's pause this. The green is just letting you know that you can put this little animation. You have Eddie Murphy and then this lady behind him. You can put like a video that you've taken at an event or a photo, and then basically write some text to make like a meme. So let's go ahead and see if we can find one that we like. Yeah, boy, you gotta get creative here too, guys.
Hate us because they ain't us. Exactly. They hate us because they ain't us.
You're gonna click where it says use template. And my idea here is to use that and then put a video of people using my photo booth and put other photo booth companies, the way other photo booth companies think about us. Something like that, but you'll see what I'm saying. So we're gonna go ahead and find a clip. Perfect, we'll use this one here.
Hate us because they ain't us. Exactly, they hate us.
All right, we're gonna put the text button here. We're gonna add some text. You know what, I actually prefer to do the text in like TikTok or YouTube. You could definitely do it here, right? But let's just do it here, actually, just to make it easier. So I'm going to put how we see other photo booth companies. Okay, perfect. We'll just put it here. We'll go edit. Let's just change the presets. Color. We'll add the little border here. We'll just do yellow. Okay, so you get the idea. So now let's go ahead and hit check. And now let's just watch this.
Because they ain't.
Let's watch this from the beginning.
Hate us because they ain't us. Exactly. They hate us because they ain't us. That's a great saying, okay?
Hate us because they ain't us!
They hate us because they ain't us.
Love it, love it. And then from here, look, you can go to export. You can go straight to TikTok, or you can have it saved to your device, basically your phone or whatever device you're using, to upload to wherever you want. But this little video here that we created, right? This little thing here, this can be uploaded to Instagram. It can be uploaded to YouTube as a short, TikTok, you name it, right? It can be uploaded there. And this is just about having content that's funny, a great way to get views. It's funny, it's trendy. Let's just go ahead and discard. I'm not going to use this one.
It's a great saying.
Let's look at some other ones to get some other examples.
Visualize the sculpture within.
Okay, this one's perfect. So this one here, right? You'll notice, let me pause it. Down here it says Pro, 49 cents. You kind of have to buy it. Not all of these are for free. I tend to just not want to pay for it, I'll be honest. Because there's plenty of free ones that are great.
Will I get over it?
Let's look.
No.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to use this one. Click on here. You can even press it just to check which. Okay, love it. This is the clip. All right, so you got to get creative here, right? I'm going to put in text. When you find out our photo booth only cost $2.99 to rent it all day. All right, let's go here. We'll go white. Perfect. Look, and you can move it up, and now let's watch it. How cool is this? Look how easy this was. I made it in like 30 seconds. So again, you go export, you can go straight to TikTok, or you can have it saved to the device with the watermark. But a little trick here that I've learned, you can go to export, share to TikTok, and once you press it, it's already saved to your phone. Look, I don't even have to go to TikTok to post it. We'll go to my photos, and we'll look here at albums. Oh, where's it at? All photos. And look, here, it's here. Little hat. So now there's the watermark. Now I can go to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. I can get it done. Let's go back to TikTok. And also, one thing about
order now and get 50% off your
again
first
the
order.
ads. Let's just say you don't want to use the memes, right? Another way you can use CapCut is just to edit your videos. Like, let's just say you do a vlog, a day in the life of. You can go to edit. You can go to like new project, and then you can add clips, make a video. So just to give you a little look, you can add whatever clips you want. You can come in here and you can use it as an editing tool. So look, let's just say we want to shorten this clip. You just get your finger on the left side and you drag it. So you can use this thing to edit your videos, and it's free. It's free. Also too, I want to show you, like, if you're going to edit your own videos, there's a section to add captions, which is very useful. You see right here, you click on that. And again, look, they have the pro version for you to select certain types of captions. But we'll just use the free one. Actually, we'll use this one. So watch, you'll see, watch. I'm talking here, and then while I'm talking, it's going to show what I'm talking about. Very, very useful. And I'll tell you why. Because there are a lot of people, believe it or not, that will click your content and not have the volume on. I know that sounds crazy, and these captions are good for retention. So watch.
Photo booth drop off with prints. I know a lot of you have been asking about it. So I'm going to show you. So real quick, we have the deluxe booth.
So yeah, I know. Sorry again, guys, if it's kind of loud at certain parts. It's really difficult to manage the volume, but how cool does that look? All of the captions. It just really makes it stand out. And honestly, I need to get better at doing these for my videos. There's also too, shout out to Jem. Jem made it clear, it's a friend of mine, he's deaf, that like there are some people that have hearing issues. So if there is a video where you're talking, whatever, it can definitely help some people to understand what is going on. So I just wanted to make this clip and just show you that you can also do this. So shout out to Jem, and shout out to CapCut. What an amazing app. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as always, make sure to follow us on all platforms, TikTok, YouTube, all of it. And I do also want to mention too, that you can use CapCut to create captions for your videos, right? So if someone's talking, you'll see the words pop up. I forgot to mention that in the recording, but you can definitely do that through CapCut. And as always, photobooth101.com, get your photo booth, get your backdrops, your props, your everything. Photo Booth 101, we got you covered. God bless. See you soon.